President, there are few responsibilities more serious or consequential than the naming of a Supreme Court justice. Without serious reforms, we're destined to either see more crises or suffer stagnant growth rates for the foreseeable future, or a combination of the two. My offer of a serious, meaningful dialogue to resolve this issue remains open. Who's serious about solving the real problems facing our people in our country? I welcome anyone who comes. I said at the end of Thursday's summit that I'm eager and willing to move forward with members of both parties on healthcare if the other side is serious about coming together to resolve our differences and get this done. I'm also encouraged by the reports of serious bipartisan work being done on this and other issues in the Fiscal Commission that I set up several months ago. And if we're serious about getting our fiscal house in order, we'll need to make some tough choices. We can spend the next 2 years arguing with one another, trapped in stale debates, mired in gridlock, unable to make progress in solving the serious problems facing our country. It's clear that over the long run, if we're serious about balancing the budget, we can continue to afford these tax breaks for the wealthiest taxpayers, especially when we know that cutting the deficit is going to demand sacrifice from everyone. Still, even as we work to boost our economy in the short term, it's time to make some serious decisions about how to keep our economy strong, growing, and competitive in the long run. Here's the truth about today's economy. If we're serious about fighting for American jobs and American businesses, one of the most important things we can do is open up more markets to American goods around the world. If we're serious about tackling our long-run fiscal challenges, we also need to cut excessive spending wherever we find it, in defense spending, spending in Medicare and Medicaid, and spending through tax breaks and loopholes. We need to operate on all cylinders, and that means pursuing a broad range of energy policies, including safe and responsible oil production here at home. In fact, last year, America's oil production reached its highest level. That they're serious about reform. We'll show them the money. And it's already making a difference throughout the country. That's the heart of this approach. Serious cuts balanced by some new revenues all across the country. In Virginia, 19,000 jobs are at risk. What this means is that if we're serious about building an economy that lasts, an economy in which hard work pays off with the opportunity for solid middle-class jobs, we had better be serious about education. But what we can do is get our priorities straight and make a sustained, serious effort to tackle this problem. We've got serious investments to make to keep our economy growing.